Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss third unit first topic election commission. First question, who has the power to give symbols to political parties? Election commission. How many members are there in the election commission of India? There are 3 members. Which body conducts election in India? Election commission conducts elections in India. Under which law does the election commission function? 1950 Act. Which law empowers the election commission to conduct elections? Article 324. Who is the first woman chief electoral officer? Rama Devi is the first woman chief electoral officer. What is the term of office of the chairperson of the election commission? 6 year. What is the main duty of the election commission? Conducting election is the main duty of election commission. Who is the first chairperson of the election commission of India? Sukumar Sen is the first chairperson. Who elects the chairpersons of the election of commission? President elects. Under which act the constitution does the election commission function? And article 324. In which year was the election commission of India established? In 1950 election commission was established. Who has the power to remove an officer of the election commission? Parliament has the right. How long does the election commission have to direct the voting in India? 18 years. What is the symbol of the election commission? None. In which year was the electoral voting machine introduced? 1993. In which year was voter ID introduced? 1992. Where is the headquarters of the Election Commission of India? Delhi. When was the first general election of India held? 1951. Who is the current chief election commissioner of India? Rajiv Kumar. So these are the most important questions comes under election commission. In the next video we will discuss about women's commission, national women's commission. Thank you.